January the 12th, 2014. A massive 6.5 magnitude earthquake jolted Puerto Rico, with a depth of 20 kilometers.
Prophecy, October 12, 2013. In the spirit, despite the recent massive earthquakes in Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Grenada, and Venezuela, another major earthquake is determined upon the Caribbean.
Matthew 24, 6-8. For all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes, in divers places. All these are the beginning of sorrows.